So it is 8K raw, and now we start recording. I also have to put the ventilator. The ventilator and the camera are powered by a FXLION. And here you see again how it works. There is a ventilator. I just created a pipe from plastic which will bring all the power of the ventilator onto the camera. And here you see the recording from the second camera, just to have it how long everything can be recorded until they will get an overheating warning. Not a warning, until it will shut down this R5 MKII. So yeah, I hope we can get more than 18 minutes or than the 21 minutes, which Canon says you will get if you use the external battery grip. Still recording. After 7 minutes there is no warning, and I hope it will keep on going like this. Right now we are at 22 minutes and it's still recording, but I guess